Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be comparing two different types of graduation. If you would like to learn how I did this, then please keep watching. Right here, I'm just parting the hair down the middle to be able to distinguish one side from another, or basically one haircut from another. Okay, I'm going to start in the back, starting at the nape. I'm going to cut everything blunt. Okay, now that I've cut the perimeter, I'm going to start going in by twisting my fingers under to make sure that my elevation remains low. And that's what you see me doing here. Just tucking or curling my fingers under to ensure that everything stays in a certain position. And I'm going to work my way up. If you can't understand what I'm doing, I'm going to show you a close-up in a few. So just keep watching. I decided to do this particular type of method of cutting the hair after thinking back when I was in beauty school, and we would hear about curving the hair under to give it a bevel under in order to get the hair to direct the hair to want to naturally want to curl in a certain direction. And I decided to give it a try in this video, so that's basically what I'm doing. Yeah, so we're just taking a look at that. Right now I'm going in for the close-up. As you can see, I'm using the guideline of the previous section in order to cut the very next section, but instead of just going straight across or anything like that, I'm curving the hair and my fingers under. And you can see that the graduation sits pretty low. In the video, it's almost maybe like the very last inch of hair at the bottom. Okay, now I'm on to the sides. As you can see, I'm going to do the very same thing using the previous section of hair on the remaining side that I actually cut as a guideline to create to cut the very next section. Okay, now to the other side, I'm going to do a typical graduation haircut that I normally see, or what I learned in school. So we're just going to take a look at how that's done right here. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Comparatively speaking to the other side, this looks more of like a medium length graduation. I don't know, but just take a look at how it's done. Okay, right here I'm just comparing the two sides to make sure they're both nice and even, and I have to remind myself to do the same haircut on either side, if that makes any sense. So basically I'm just continuing what I started. Okay, now that I have completed the haircut, now you can see the difference between, I guess you would say, like a medium or average length graduation and a very low cut graduation. Um, I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.